at somebody next to you and just tell them, do your part. Yes. Now, every believer in this place has to be aware that whatever happens in our lives gives us an opportunity to be a witness for the glory of God. Our witness is at stake, and so every morning you wake up, the curtains are drawn back, and you find yourself on the stage of human history representing God in the earth realm. There are a lot of people who literally sit back and who wonder, how are you going to handle the crisis that you find yourself in? People look at you and they may not ever tell you, but they are standing back wondering, how will you handle a pressure situation? The reality is, as people of God, it's important to recognize that many of us represent Jesus Christ without even knowing it, because some people would never even tell you that they are really paying that much attention to you. Even some people who are your private haters, they really admire you. They look at how you continue to keep your head about you when everybody else is losing theirs. They see you and you're not popping pills and you're not acting a fool, but you're still trusting God in the midst of some amazing circumstances. I'm a repeat winner. I know it may not look like I'm winning based on where I am in the fight, but if you just hang around, you'll know that I'm going to keep coming out on top because of the grace of God that's on my life. As a matter of fact, some of you need to understand that a setback doesn't mean that you have been defeated. It only means that it gives you an opportunity to trust God more, so that when you do get the victory, you can say, here we go again. God, we won this thing again. I wish I had a witness that knows he's a lawyer that never lost a case. He's a doctor that never lost. Anybody here know what I'm talking about? The Spirit of the Lord said to me, son, you're pastoring people now who are in a season where they are ready for a significant change. But it's a real sharp right turn people are trying to make now, because the stuff that people are dealing with now and the level of warfare that they're fighting, they got to stop all the foolishness, and they know it. So they don't have time for people that's playing games, because they're going through too much to have folk just around, ha ha, he he. No, I need somebody who really know how to pray. I'm not talking about somebody that's coming with some formalized little religious prayer. No, I need somebody that know how to get a prayer through. I don't need folk, just anybody coming through my house, because I can't let all kind of spirits in right through here.
To view this message in its entirety, please log on to www.mountzionanywhere.org.